great pleasure to announce that from this day forward, you are now husband and wife. And Andrew, you can take it from here. Many congratulations.
Everybody look at me, all looking up, going, hello! Now say, get a room!
Lucy, get your hands off her.